In today's video, we're diving into 3 of the simplest ways to make effortless money with AI in 2025. Whether you're aiming to build passive income streams or optimize your side hustle, AI can be your ultimate tool for working smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to 𝐤𝐸𝐬𝐵, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Now let's jump into today's topic. 3 lazy money-making strategies with AI. In today's digital age, AI offers incredible opportunities to make money with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to create a passive income stream or automate time-consuming tasks, AI has you covered. From designing and selling digital products to automating content creation for blogs or YouTube, these strategies let you leverage technology to earn money without the daily grind. In this guide, we'll walk you through 3 easy ways to use AI to boost your income with little to no ongoing work. Ready to earn while you sleep? Let's dive in. First, creating and selling digital products with AI. One of the easiest ways to make passive income with AI is by creating and selling digital products. Digital products are great because they work for you 24/7. No need to clock in or put in overtime. Think about things like ebooks, planners, printable templates, design resources, and more. These are the kinds of products that can be sold again and again, generating a steady income without any extra work from you. So, how do you get started? Well, first things first, you don't need to be a writer or designer to create these products. AI tools like 𝐥𝐸𝐬𝐴 make it incredibly easy to write high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take you manually. Whether you're writing a fitness guide, a self-help ebook, or a tutorial on any niche topic, 𝐥𝐸𝐬𝐴 can help you churn out pages of content in no time. It's like having a professional writer at your disposal without the hefty salary. When it comes to design, Canva AI is a total game changer. Even if you have zero design experience, Canva's AI tools allow you to create eye-catching professional products in just minutes. The best part? You don't have to be tech savvy. You can use templates or start from scratch. AI does the heavy lifting for you. Whether it's a planner, a digital artwork, or a printable, Canva AI ensures everything looks sleek and polished. Once your digital product is ready, just upload it to platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Then you can sit back and relax as your sales start rolling in. The beauty of digital products is that they're a one-time investment of your time, and after that, they work for you continuously. It's passive income at its finest. Next, automating content creation for blogs or YouTube. Let's talk about creating content, because we all know how time-consuming that can be, whether you're a blogger or YouTuber. Producing content consistently is no easy feat. But here's the good news. AI can automate a huge chunk of that work, freeing up your time for more important things. If you're a blogger, tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI are perfect for generating blog posts, articles, or even entire content series in minutes. You can just give the AI a topic or a brief outline, and it'll generate a full-length article for you, saving you hours of writing. Imagine writing a blog post without spending hours typing away on your keyboard. Plus, AI can help you optimize your posts for SEO, which means your content has a better chance of ranking higher on Google. This means more traffic and more money for you, all with less effort. For YouTube creators, AI is your best friend. Pictory is a fantastic tool that can turn your AI-generated script into a fully polished video, complete with visuals, captions, and voiceovers. With Pictory, all you have to do is upload your script, and it automatically converts it into a professional video. No editing skills required. You can even upload your video to YouTube and monetize it using ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. It's the perfect way to create professional quality videos with minimal effort. AI takes care of the hard work behind the scenes while you focus on growing your audience and cashing in on that sweet passive income. Finally, using AI to boost freelancing income. Freelancing is a great way to make money on the side, but let's be honest, it can be time-consuming. The constant hustle to meet deadlines and manage clients can leave you feeling burnt out. But AI is here to help you maximize your productivity, streamline your workflow, and ultimately earn more while working less. For writers, ChatGPT can generate articles, blog posts, marketing copy, or even product descriptions in minutes. Whether you're working on a client's blog post or drafting social media content, You can give ChatGPT a brief or topic, and it'll create the content for you. You can quickly edit the output, saving you a ton of time that you'd otherwise spend writing from scratch. For designers, Canva AI is an absolute lifesaver. Whether you're designing logos, social media posts, or marketing materials, Canva AI helps you create high-quality visuals quickly. No design skills required. You can use AI-generated templates, tweak them to your liking, and send them off to clients in record time. When it comes to video editing, Runway AI is another tool that'll save you hours of editing work. Tasks like background removal, video enhancement, and color correction, things that usually take a lot of time, are automated with Runway AI. This means you can take on more clients, deliver faster results, and make more money, all while working fewer hours. In short, AI tools help you be more productive, produce high-quality work faster, and scale your freelance business to new heights. AI is like having a supercharged assistant that helps you tackle more work in less time. I have a friend, Jessica, who was always overwhelmed trying to juggle content creation and building her side business. She felt like there was never enough time. That was until she started using AI tools, and things totally turned around. With Jasper AI, she can now write ebooks, guides, and articles in no time. What used to take hours now only takes minutes. And when it comes to design, Canva AI is a lifesaver. Even though she had no design experience, she's now able to create beautiful, professional digital products in just a few clicks. The best part? Jessica's digital products sell automatically, bringing in passive income without her having to do any extra work. She uploads them once, and they continue to generate income around the clock. On top of that, Jessica uses AI to automate her blog and YouTube content creation. Tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT write her blog posts in minutes, and Pictory automatically turns her scripts into professional quality videos. This has saved her hours of work and helped her grow her online presence faster than ever. Now, she has more time to focus on growing her audience and monetizing her platforms, all while earning money with far less effort. It's honestly been a total game changer for her. She's making money passively while focusing on what matters most, building her brand and enjoying more free time. If she can do it, I'm sure anyone can. And that's it for today's video. AI is truly a game changer when it comes to making lazy money in 2025. Whether you're creating digital products, automating your content creation, or using AI to power your freelancing business, the potential to earn with minimal effort has never been greater. So why wait? Start using these AI tools today to streamline your workflow and grow your income. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on how AI can change your financial future, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AI Cyber Tech, and leave a comment letting us know which AI method you're most excited to try first.